Hello friends, hope you all are fine. In this video, I will tell you 5 tips and tricks of Python. Okay, are you ready for these tips and tricks? So let's start. Our first trick is sorting of elements of a list into new variable. So let's see how to do. First, we will create a list. Creating list. List. Now we will assign list element into variables comma y comma z. Then we will print x comma y comma z, and let's see our output. Our output should be let's see check whether we are getting desired output or not. Okay, oh sorry. Instead of z I wrote x. Okay, we are getting our desired output. So this was trick to sort elements of a list into a new variable. Okay, now let's see our next trick. Next trick we will concatenate strings. Let's see how to do that. First we will create a list. Then join method is used to join the strings. Okay, remember this. Join method is used to join the strings. Word equal to join list. Then we will print word. Our desired output should be we need to print this Python because we want to concatenate this list, this whole string. Let's see. Let's check. Are we getting desired output? Yes. See, we concatenated the whole string and it is printing Python. Now let's see the third trick. Our third trick is to see the source code of any website. Let's see how to see source code of any website. First we have to import one library module from url lib dot request import url open. open equal to URL open, then we will use link of any website. Let's use Python website link only. Okay. It is the official website of Python. Open, not read. What it will do, our desired output is to show source code of website. Let's see, check. See, this is source code of this website. It's pretty huge database. Okay, let's close this. Now our next trick is we will use for loop in one line. So let's do that. List equal to x for x in range of 5. Print list. Now our desired output will be it should print from 0 to 4. Yes, because we are using a range in 5. Let's check. Okay, see, it is printing 0 1 0 1 2 3 4. So it's correct. Now our last and most interesting trick is to get current date and time. So are you ready? First we have to import date time. From date time import date time be equal to date time dot now trendy. So our desired output is to get current date and time. Let's check. So this is our current date and time. Today is 16 September 2020, 7 a.m. 55 seconds, milliseconds. Okay, so this was our 5 tips and tricks of Python. Hope you like this video. And thanks for watching video. Like, share and subscribe this channel, The Hacking Stuff, for getting more videos like this, and keep following this Python how-to series for getting more videos like this. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get latest video notifications. Thank you. Guys, I added this portion in this video for telling that we having one quiz competition. It's basically programming Python programming competition. The first round will be tech quiz. Uh, in this you will get some questions and you will get multiple choice answers for that, and in second round you have to purely write code for that, and the questions will be pretty tough. Okay, and for registration of that you can go to link here on the web. I will provide the link. It is my blog, University Lecture Info. You can visit here. You will get lot of useful articles here, like these articles you can see: 7 must have mobile apps to prepare online, and 5 books for competitive programming. These all things, the last minute lecture notes you will get, and even you will get lot of Python programs here. Okay, so if you want you can take part in this. It is registration is open till 30th September 6:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Okay, and this quiz will be in 2 rounds, and result will be declared on 25th 12th of October, sorry. And the registration fee is just minimal of rupees 10. So, and a lot of people can register. If anyone is not able to pay this amount, then they can personally message me or DM me or leave a comment here. I will do a free registration for them.